we have some breaking news coming in. India is all set to take over the presidency of the UN Security Council on August 1st and is set to host signature events in three major areas of maritime security, peacekeeping and counter-terrorism during the month as well. Now, India's permanent representative to the United Nations, that is T.S. Tirumurti, addressed the council right ahead of the India assuming presidency. Listen in.
Friends, India will be the President of the United Nations Security Council in August. It is a singular honor for us to be presiding over the Security Council in the same month when we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. This is our 8th tenure in the Security Council. In the last 7 months of our tenure in the Council, we have taken a principled and forward-looking position on various issues. We have been unafraid of shouldering responsibilities. We have been proactive. We have focused on issues of our priority. We have made efforts to bridge the different voices within the Council to ensure that the Council comes together and speaks in one voice on a variety of important issues of the day. This is what we will bring into our presidency. India will be organizing signature events in three major areas: maritime security, peacekeeping, and counter-terrorism. Maritime security has a high priority for us, and it is important for the Security Council to take a holistic approach to this issue. Peacekeeping is a topic close to our hearts, given our own long and pioneering involvement with peacekeeping. We will be focusing on how to ensure the safety of peacekeepers, especially by using better technology, and how to bring perpetrators of crimes against peacekeepers to justice. Further, as a country which has been at the forefront in the fight against terrorism, we will continue to keep the spotlight on counter-terrorism. I would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister and our External Affairs Minister for continuing to guide our permanent mission, especially during our stint in the Security Council. Thank you.
Let me go across to my colleague Shivani, who's also joining us live. Certainly a moment of pride for the country, and as well as India taking over the presidency of the UN Security Council on August 1st. Help us understand the importance.
Richa, let me tell you, this is a proud coincidence when India will be taking over the presidency of the United Nations Security Council on August 1st. This happens to be the month when India is celebrating, it's entering into the 75th anniversary celebration of India's independence. As we've heard, the Ambassador T.S. Tirumurti, who has said that India is a peace-loving country, and whatever India is doing across the globe is for the peacekeeping. And there will be a series of events throughout the month as India will be chairing this presidency of the United Nations Security Council. These events will be related to maritime security, peacekeeping and counter-terrorism. And very important here to tell our viewers that this is the first time when India will be in the chair of the president in this tenure that started on January 1st, 2021. This is a 2-year-long tenure where India is the non-permanent member of the Security Council of United Nations. And when this tenure ends, the last month of the tenure, India will again be the president in December 2022. So quite significant when in August India is being the president of the United Nations Security Council.
So certainly a very important and significant moment coming in for India, taking over as the presidency of the UNSC as well. Many thanks, Shivani, for getting us the latest.